It's a common occurrence within industrial facilities to use various trade sizes of PVC-coated rigid conduit to align with different load and ampacity requirements. When transitioning between trade sizes, a reducing bushing is used. But using a larger diameter sleeve or cutting the sealing sleeve to install reducing bushings can cause these connection points to become a weak link, harboring moisture and bacteria that could lead to corrosion. Happily, Plasti-Bond has pioneered a unique solution to this issue. It's the patent-pending PVC-coated reducing bushing with sealing sleeve. Made from UL-approved gray PVC plastisol material for corrosion resistance, flexibility, and compliance with safety standards, it's designed to fit snugly over the female conduit hub of a conduit body with the sealing sleeve removed, and around the outer diameter of a connected PVC-coated rigid conduit. Available in a variety of trade sizes to accommodate a number of transitions, the PVC-coated reducing bushing simplifies installation, creating a complete seal at points of connection and maintaining the environmental integrity of the installed system. To install, begin by using a sawzall or a knife to remove the sealing sleeve from the conduit hub. Then, apply Robroy PVC touch-up compound around the entire outside of the female conduit entry hub to ensure a snug connection. Thread the coated reducing bushing onto the hub until it is fully engaged and the sealing ring is in place. A conduit nipple can be used to ensure the reducing bushing is fully engaged in the threaded opening. If the bushing is loose-fitting, apply another passive touch-up compound at the point of connection. Finally, thread the conduit into the reduced fitting. Ready to include the PVC-coated reducing bushing with sealing sleeve on your next BOM? Visit www.plastibond.com today to learn more.